Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to start with a important topic which is e-sport, called as electronic sport, and which is the fastest growing industry right now in all over the world. And considering e-sport as a career, it is not like that. Being a gamer, being a streamer, or playing games doesn't mean you are in esports. And sitting on the chair and play video games or PC games or mobile game is not called a gamer. Also, there are various activities you should do to be a pro gamer and make a career in sports. Before understanding definition of esports, you need to understand what is streamer and what is pro gamer. I'm giving the same definition as most of the websites suggest. A gamer is a normally professional player that is paid by a company or sponsor to play games for a living. Okay, which is hired by company. You can say professional gamer can be hired by esports companies. Whereas streamer is someone who streams online content and mainly makes their money from donations, adverts, and affiliate incomes. I will show the esports. The Wikipedia definition: esport is a form of competition using video games. Most commonly, esports takes the form of organized multiplayer video game competitions, particularly between professional players, individually or in team also. This has been attributed largely to its broad anti-gambling laws, which prohibit paid professional gaming tournaments also. So let's move to the main definition. What is esports? Which is a multiplayer video game. Okay, esports means a multiplayer or a single player video game which is played competitively for spectators, typically by professional gamers. There is absolutely no difference between traditional sports and esports, but considering physical aspects, we will check some difference between those things. And the millions of people enjoy watching esports currently on different platforms like YouTube, Twitch, Mixer, like this, Omelette Arcade. Well, there are different platforms. Nemo TV also is there, D Live also is there. But there is a bunch of list over there, so I will move to the next point, like the similarities between traditional sports and esports. Traditional sports, traditional sports means cricket and all these things, which is football, like this, and esports, electronic sports, both have players, which is a first main similarity. And considering esports has a multiple categories, like which is having real-time strategy, first-person shooting games, multiplayer online battle arena games, like this. Okay. Second is both traditional sport and esports have coaches, manager, teams, competitions, tournaments. Skills matters in both. And fourth is time and team and individuals can play these games. The most important common struggle for every athletes in both industry: entertainment in both, training and practice required in both. These are the similarities between traditional sports and esports. As I mentioned, there is not much difference in between, but there are few aspects we can consider. Which is not called a bigger difference in between these two. So I will move to the next thing. Now the main difference, we'll go to it. Difference between sports and esports, electronic sports and traditional sports. So short of electronic sports briefs that electronic word makes a big difference, right? Sports, electronics and traditional. Electronics word make a big difference, and similar to the traditional sport, not similar, but opposite to traditional sports related is outsider activities. Okay. And electronic sports also required mental strength and required physical strength in traditional sports. Third difference is weight, education, age doesn't matter in electronic sports. You can play from the childhood to the most of 50 plus 60 plus also. But in traditional sports, some aspect you should maintain your weight, physical strength. Age also matters. uh, you should retire at the age your body does not support to the traditional sports as athlete. Examples of electronic sports: CS:GO, PUBG, League of Legends, Fortnite, and there are more games out there. And examples of traditional sports: cricket, basketball, football, hockey, tennis, and more. And this is the basic difference that you should know about these things. I will move to the next things to consider in each sport industry. You can grow individually in electronic sports with the help of streaming platforms or playing games competitively or in tournaments. You can grow individually, but traditional sports require to participate in tournaments and competitions to grow. I will explain this point. You cannot be famous with the one platform. Okay. You cannot stream your game if you are individual. You cannot stream what can I say, you cannot stream if you are a runner. If you are a basketball player, you cannot individually stream your gameplay, right? Means there are platforms who shows a live gameplay of you and your team, but electronic sports, it is not similar like that. Okay, so I hope you can understand the difference. Both have career opportunity, and you can earn a lot of money in both aspects, in both types. I will take you to the tour of this industry step by step as a career in this industry. Means in esport industry, I'm considering only esports industry. How you can make career in this industry. You learn this in this basic course, finding out your strength in category also. So in electronic esports, there are different aspects. You can earn money, becoming a professional gamer, starting your esport organization, as a caster in esports. These are the basic things. So, and I will explain the few things step by step, how to get into esports, the business of esports, like this. So will esports become larger than traditional sports? This is the main question. So most of the parents do not wanted to their kids involved in electronic sports in India. Mostly I am considering India, but now the scenario is changing since last year, since 2 years to 3 years also. So will it be bigger than traditional sports? Will it be revenue bigger? Can you earn money through electronic sports? So this scenario is changing day by day. You cannot avoid this esports industry with massive and exponential growth worldwide, $1 billion industry, as I explained already. You can able to sell competitive players from one company to other, like sports, like in massive amount. If you are running an organization, esports organization, you have a team, and you can sell this team or players to the other esports company in massive amounts, like it happens in football, in cricket, in IPL, in the Premier League also. The players can be exchanged at every auctions in every year or every season, like this. So this is a kind of earning money from your players. You can hire those players, right? So it is a industry that is growing right now, and as a developing industry, video game developer companies also are developing different new kind of games, multiplayer FPS games also, and which is beneficial for those who play these games, and investors and sponsors also are keeping eyes on this industry, and they are investing much of amount, like Oppo having their tournaments in India right now. Okay, and So multiple companies are organizing tournaments, multiple giving sponsorship to the players, to the individuals, to the companies. uh, that my opinion is that this industry can be a larger industry, uh, can grow exponentially in coming days. Okay, is growing, not can be, but it is a growing industry right now. So I will be this is a basic thing I wanted to share with you, what is esports and these things. But esports career can which is you can find if you are passionate about gaming, if you are passionate about esports, and if you are passionate about playing games, or you wanted to involve in this industry uh, as a uh, as a profession. Okay, you wanted to involve in this as a profession, so stay tuned with me. I will coming with more videos regarding esports. So I'm creating a course about this basic course, which is a free for available, will be on YouTube also. And right now so stay tuned with me, and thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and those with your friends also, those who wanted to make career in this industry, those who are curious about but they are not getting much knowledge, but they don't have much knowledge, or they're not getting some guidance from the parents, or from anywhere. But here is I'm creating why this I'm creating this course, because I wanted to spread that I know from this industry. And I hope this you will definitely enjoy, you will definitely like the series of this course. Thank you for watching, thank you for giving your time till now. And please I say, please make sure subscribe this channel if you are new to this channel, and help others by sharing this content. Thank you for watching.